The Unemployed Genius Crusade is a community of people working together that have one thing in common: a vision for ourselves that we won't be denied. We have committed ourselves to partner with a very successful global institute named GreatLife Worldwide. With their vision to help assist people as ourselves to grow in multiple areas of levels in our lives, with their life coaching, personal development services and resources. We also believe it's the only educational life coaching institute that's structured to pay us handsomely, as we share and use their services and resources to develop and reposition ourselves in multiple areas of our life. There truly isn't any other, where they offer us a remarkable new transformation of the hottest in demand digital products and services such as life coaching, personal chef cooking classes, personal fitness training, a superior line of nutritional products, financial education, as well, learning with an extensive library of video and the most sought after topics in audio and eBooks and so much more, as they expand their vision and product line. We believe a person's number one concern and responsibility should be to care, groom, and develop ourselves into that person we desire to become. It's not just important that we do, it's extremely vital that we would. And it isn't that we can't, it's just that we may have made a choice that we won't. The Unemployed Genius Crusade is aware that what should be common knowledge in a person's life isn't always a common practice. We somehow lost focus on the basic skills and responsibilities we should be doing to develop ourselves and our future. We know if we were to learn and have the proper knowledge, and then exercise it, we would be able to achieve our goals and live a much better quality of life. It's having that knowledge that is one of the keys needed to open up the vision we have for ourselves. Taking action would be the other key. This is one reason the Unemployed Genius Crusade was born. To help assist a person to obtain those resources needed and required to live our life on our own terms. We believe that life coaching and life management go hand in hand with our own personal development. That everyone should have some kind of a life coach or mentor to look to as a model, as an accountability partner on our journey and personal development. We found that most people don't think, or they ignore the true fact that the difference between their success journey and their failure to succeed is the willingness to learn. That the real missing factor from where we are now to where we would like ourselves to be would be in the knowledge and action needed to get ourselves there. This is why we are using the GreatLife Worldwide Institute as our flagship resource and service to grow our mission with TUG. They are a global life coaching institute that offers us an affiliate service to earn a residual income both weekly and monthly. If you are a person who is truly serious, and I mean truly serious, about repositioning yourself and life in many areas of your life, then the Unemployed Genius Crusade, with GreatLife Worldwide should be a very good fit for you. Contact myself or the person who thought so highly of you to share this valuable information with you. Do it. And do it today.